We've made our business successful by really focusing on impeccable service. That's why we treat everyone with the same care and attention every single time. And now we're proud to share an incredible review with you right now. We never get tired of seeing great posts about these types of experiences online. We are thrilled to know that we've made a lasting impression. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Experience our service and you'll be amazed. We're thrilled you had the chance to take a look at us. Don't hesitate to contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.